けいこう. We use this in news and reports when talking about data patterns or people's habits. 傾向、ニュースやレポートでデータの動きや人の癖について話すときに使います。It is used as a noun. 傾向 literally talks about a usual leaning or pattern, either in people's behavior or in data moving in a certain direction. ある方向に起こりやすく、偏りやすい様子のこと。普段続きやすいパターンや流れを表します。The first kanji means lean or tilt. You see it in 傾く and 傾ける. Both show the idea of something slanting or making it slant. Think of a cup tipping or attention turning towards something. The second kanji means face or direction. It appears in muku and hoko. These words point to where something faces or the route it goes. Imagine turning your head toward a goal and following that path. This class tends to hand out homework early. このクラスは宿題を早く出す傾向がある。このクラスは宿題を早く出す傾向がある。Young people tend to use smartphones a lot. 若者はスマホをよく使う傾向にある。若者はスマホをよく使う傾向にある。Prices tend to rise year by year. 物価は年々上昇傾向にある。物価は年々上昇傾向にある。He tends to keep his stories short. 彼は話を短くまとめる傾向がある。彼は話を短くまとめる傾向がある。The most common synonyms of the word are 動向 and 傾向性。動向 overlaps when talking about trends in society or markets, while 傾向性 is a technical way to say inherent tendency, close to 傾向 but more formal. The most common antonyms of the word are musakli and 中立. Musakli contrasts with a consistent pattern by stressing champs, and 中立 contrasts the idea of leaning or bias by stressing no side.